I love this sunscreen. This has been my go-to lately. I love that there's hydrating ingredients in it. It has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, zinc. This is a physical sunscreen. This is my go-to, especially for the colder days. I am loving this. My skin loves it. Give it a try. On our way to have Iftar. Happy Ramadan, everyone. We are at an Ethiopian restaurant. I love Awash in San Diego is my go-to Ethiopian spot. Also, I'm loving this new camera that I'm vlogging on.
And it has
it's
like
a
a little
small little Canon vlogging
tripod.
camera. It is so cute, so I'm testing it out. And usually this cute little abaya dress I got from the Noel shop. How cute is it? I love anything chocolate colored. Also, how cute is this bag? It's not brown. It looks like it's brown. That's matching my outfit, but it's burgundy. But yeah, I love this abaya dress. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. So cute. Now I'm just waiting for our food. Let me show you guys my Carlsbad water. This water is so refreshing. It's my go-to. It's not like the others. And you cannot forget the mango, okay? Whatsoever. Also, I'm going to put you guys on to this electrolyte mix that I cannot live without during this Ramadan, okay? It's zero sugar added. It's passion fruit. So delicious. I literally have two of these, one for Sahur and one for Iftar, and I'm good to go. You guys, I dream of this. This is my favorite. When you go to Awash, you need to order the short ribs, okay? Prayer time. May our du'as and fast be accepted. I mean, now boba time, okay? I have been wanting this all day. Give me the matcha. This is matcha with horchata, the best thing ever, okay? Now it's the next day. Okay, we are gonna do a little bit of shopping, go to Sephora. Come along with me.
Right over here. And that's only $7.
So many goodies, like how cute is that? I love. And these shoes. So cute. Love everything. I think these will be perfect. Such a cute store. I love their t-shirts. Cotton on. Hi, thank you. How cute is this bag? So cute. Love the way it looks on the mannequin right here. Gorgeous linen pants for the summer. And you know I love anything chocolate, but these pants had me fooled. Such a disappointment. I tried them on in the fitting room immediately and no. Took them back. They were so itchy. horrible material. Yeah, sad. Anyways, now we're heading home. I'm gonna cook iftar, and I'll link this recipe down below for you guys because this is a staple in my home for many years. Okay, so delicious, honey curry chicken thighs. Okay, and I served it with brown rice, sweet potato, and some garlic green beans. I'll link it down below for you guys.